I really hope that this is coming across as beautiful as this actually is in real life. I can't believe I've never come here before. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So at the moment I'm in an area called Tully. So Tully's the town, it's probably about half an hour away from here, and I'm in the national park, and I've literally just pulled in and I'm like gobsmacked at how beautiful it is here. So there's a big river, Tully River, that flows through this, and then either side there's like gorges and mountains, and it's just stunning. So first up, I just want to show you guys what I'm looking at. I actually like it when it's like a bit moody. Anywhere south of Cairns, anytime I go down south, it just rains. Happens every single time. But yeah, I'm in the mountains now, so over a bit of range, usually it is quite wet up here. But yeah, I don't really have much of a plan for this video. Probably should have done a bit of research on this area before I actually got here, because now I don't have any service. But we'll just wing it. We'll follow this road all the way down to the end. I know there is a few hikes around here, so we could even do one of them this arvo or maybe tomorrow. I'll try and collect some firewood and we'll see if we can have a fire, although it has been raining a lot of today, so hopefully it actually lights up. But yeah, we'll just wing it for a bit. Guys, my aircraft is connected to this right now and it's in the air somewhere. No! Damn it! I cannot make this up. You are not going to believe this. I just drove back to where I took the drone off. You are the smartest thing ever, little dude. It just flew back home. And now it's absolutely pouring. Honestly, I was like adamant that I would never see this ever again. Oh my gosh, they all came out. No! Oh my god. What? That was honestly so funny watching them go through. For about 15 minutes since the past, and I've just been relaxing here, and now it's just started raining, like warm rain. So I'm just relaxing here, taking it in. And yeah, it's actually so nice being the only one here. The tent is all set up. We just got to make some dinner, and I still want to try and have a fire, although all the wood around here is going to be absolutely drenched now, and yeah, I don't have any, but I do have fire starters, so that might help a little bit. All right, guys, I'm happy. This is better than nothing considering it's raining. So I did leave my chair out, and now the rain's picked up quite a fair bit while I was cooking. So I'm gonna eat this in the car. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. I cannot even explain how nice that was, having my morning coffee down by the river. We'll pack up camp, and I reckon we'll head back down there and follow that path that goes along it. We'll just have a little suss at that. Last night it actually did cool off quite a fair bit, so we're in winter now, so the nights do get quite chilly. I do have 2 doonas in there. When I say quite chilly, it's probably like 13, 14 degrees. It's not freezing, but because we're still in tropical far north Queensland, the days are super muggy, super sticky. So even yesterday when it was raining, it was still super hot, like in its 30s. And yeah, the sun's just come out. It's a beautiful day. So we'll do this, and then yeah, we'll venture down there. I do have a 200-watt solar panel from Red Arc that lives on top of the rooftop tent. So that's how I'm able to have power to the canopy even when I'm not driving. So that'll last a couple days, and that's how I'm able to run my inverter, coffee machine, lights, power, everything to the Boss canopy setup. I really hope that this is coming across as beautiful as this actually is in real life. I can't believe I've never come here before, and the campground's only $7 as well. We're going to jump back in the car and we're going to keep on driving down. So we ended up turning around yesterday just after that waterfall, just because it started getting dark, and yeah, had to come back to camp. So we'll keep on driving down that road and we'll see what's down there. So yeah, the road did end up finishing. It looked like there was a little track that led onto this other road, but it's probably for the workers there for whatever that is. So we'll turn around and we'll drive on back out, and yeah, we'll see what we can see on the way out of here. That was a bloody huge snake. I'm guessing it was probably some sort of python just because it was so big, but I actually haven't seen a snake in ages. Let me know if you know exactly what that was. I did just follow the river all the way out, and now we're out of the national park. So I will wrap this one up here. I absolutely love making every video for you guys, but for some reason I especially really enjoyed making this one. That was honestly so beautiful in there. So if you're ever in the area, definitely worth checking out. I reckon I'm going to head out to a beach now. Not sure where. We'll cruise on out and I'll decide when I'm out there. So that'll probably be the next one. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you then.